Shane's Hobby Shop is a viewer-supported channel. If you would like to support this channel, links are in the description below. And thank you for your support. Well, hi, I'm Shane for Shane's Hobby Shop. And as many of you have been knowing, I've been having my grandkids here for the past couple of months, and we've been doing a bunch of hobbies together. Now I'd just like to show you a little bit of highlights of some of the things we've been doing, been making, been crafting, just been having tons of fun, and just wanted to show you all a little bit of what's been going on. Alright, so stay tuned.
This is introducing Rihanna and Elizabeth. I'm making sawdust in the morning. I'm making sawdust in the night time.
I'm making sawdust. Hey guys, we are now in the next step by swallow sewing our heart off. I love you, Mommy.
What are you going to make today?
Bath salt.
Bath salt?
I love Mama and Papa. I love you, Mama and Papa.
What are you making, Elizabeth?
Pancakes.
You making pancakes?
Yeah. Mickey Mouse pancakes.
Mickey Mouse pancakes?
Pancakes.
Whoa, you did such a good job. You having fun making cookies?
Yeah. And I got it in my eyes too.
What you doing?
Making cookies.
Making cookies? You gotta be stirring it up.
Cookies are done. The cookies are done. The cookies are done. The cookies are done.
What do you think?
Yummy. There's nowhere to put the silverware, so we're gonna make an insert.
Okay, Rihanna, we need to have 8.5, please. Great job. Awesome. Here we go. Great job. Yay! Woo!
We're gonna swallow sew this. We're gonna do little holes with the squiggle line. We have a Dremel and it's gonna help us to put holes in that wood.
I put my hands, you put your hands on here, and don't block the air vents. Here's the air vent, so get your hand above there. And I'll put one hand here, one hand here. I'm going to turn it on. Ready? There we go. Ready? Put it back in there slowly. Again.
Guys, we are going to now do the second step. We are putting glue. We are now going to do the third part. We are now going to flip this over. We clamp down the project with the toy boys. We are now sanding the project we made, and I'm going to put my stuff on so I don't touch it. So now here we go.
Well, hey guys, just a little pause here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell for your updates. Every time I upload a video, you will know about it. I do a bunch of woodworking on here. I do different types of reviews on Amazon, and also of course here on YouTube. I just do a bunch of different things, and of course now I'm adding my grandkids to it too as I can. Alright, so hit that subscribe button and just let me know you're here. Say hi so down in the comments. I appreciate it.
Rihanna. Oh, that's a bit. Big one. And we put it on our heads.
Ricotta cheese. Okay, Rihanna, add the nigari. Put your bowl in too, Elizabeth. Come on. Yay! Stir, and we're going to leave it alone for about 15 minutes. We're going to
My soap is done. Now let's see what it looks like.
Ooh. It's called hot process soap. So it looks a little bit different than your everyday cold process soap, right?
Hi, I'm Shane for Shane's Hobby Shop.
Hi, I'm Shelly. Many of you know me as Mom from Know What Mom Knows. And this is Biscuit. We are here to say...
Guys, another thing I'm going to teach you guys. Do not eat over your food. That gets germs, too. And see, we dropped it on the floor.
It's okay.
We dropped it on the floor. Do not pick that one up. Okay? Never, never, ever. Germy.
Go ahead and eat the rest of it, baby girl.
This is the one who's cameraing. Bye.
Well, okay, there you go. Just a little bit of highlight of what we've been going on with the kids. Been having a blast with the girls. Loved having them here and looking forward to every summer on having them. Hopefully we can. All right. Again, my name is Shane, and this is Shane's Hobby Shop. We'll see you next time.